How to connect cTrader to your broker. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are in cTrader and want to connect it to your broker, then first of all, launch open the cTrader app on your Android or iOS device, or you can also open it up on your desktop. Now in the sign in area, go ahead and sign into your cTrader account. Enter your email address and then your password and click login. As soon as you're inside, you'll be asked to choose your broker and connect. You'll see different brokers appearing on the screen. Choose the one you'd like to connect to. I'm just going to select the IC Markets option. You'll then be taken to this website where you need to enter your credentials to create an account or to sign into your broker account. Since I already have a broker account connected, I'm just going to click on sign in at the bottom. Enter the credential for your broker account, that is your email and password, and make sure that you log in. Right after you do that, you'll be able to connect cTrader with one of your brokers. Now you are ready to view live market data, analyze charts, and start trading through the cTrader platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.